G'day, welcome back to Down the Shed with Byron, and today helping a mate out with his GU patrol. He was saying he thought his gearbox was stuffed, but it looks like it's the rear diff. So my mate Dazzas, he calls up a transmission specialist, tells him he's having this funny noise coming from the gearbox in third gear, fourth gear and fifth. The transmission shop, bloody awesome, said to him, nah mate, it's definitely not the gearbox, because third and fifth are on the same rail and fourth is straight through. So they said, oh, you want to be checking out your rear diff. So Daz got home, he called me and goes, mate, what do you reckon, my rear diff's gone? I said, I've got no idea. Jump under and check the pinion. We'll do that after, I'll show you. So I thought I'd just take for a drive. I've got the GoPro set up. Hopefully, now again, this is my first time using my GoPro. Get it right and you can see what we're talking about. Yeah, so what do you think of that? Holy dooly. I haven't heard that before. Normally it's just stops on me, which was a while ago. We'll jump under now and have a look at the pinion and go from there. So yeah, on that playback of that video, I found that actually pretty cool. So you can see how the you could see the pinion moving. I'll get it to move in and out. Yeah, so I think you can actually see that section's like the pinion bearings collapsed. A fair bit of backlash. Yeah, cool. So, looks like we've got to pull the diff out. Lucky Daz has got a mate like me. I'll get it all pulled out, ready for him. He's got to bring the other diff center around. We'll throw that in. He better bring some beers as well. I'll do a time lapse on stripping it down, and any tips I can give along the way, I'll throw it in the video. There we go. She's out. Let's have a look what's gone wrong. Oh, hold on, zoom. There we go. What do you think? What's happened here? Bearings collapsed possibly, and pinion gears decided to chew away on the ring gear. Well, there we go. Diff's out. Well, cheers. We got that heavy center out. Busted a button on the way. What we'll do next is just waiting for the mate. Dazza, you out there, mate? Remember, you've got to restock me fridge. We'll do the backlash on second-hand new diff he's brought, clean up the diff housing and slap it back together and go from there. We're back into it. And guess what rocked up last night? That's right, the Diff Fairy. Oh, what did the Diff Fairy bring us? Another diff. And that feels a lot better straight off the bat. Some oil. And I wonder what's in the box. All right, let's get into it. To kick things off, I'm going to clean up the diff face so we can get the center back in. Then I'll clean up around the axles so that way we can slide those back in. I'll adjust his handbrake up while I've got that drive shaft out of the way. We'll slot that back in, throw his brakes back on, and take it for a test drive. I'll hyperlapse through. If there's a couple of things in the middle there that, I don't know, might help you out, I'll throw it in there. So I've just jumped under to clean out the diff. Have a look what's in there. Can you see that? They look like a couple of teeth. We'll pull them out and have a look, eh? Okay, let's have a look. One tooth. Okay, what else is there? Two? Or is that one broken in half? And just some little chunks. That's it. So yeah, two pieces. Oh, I'll take some photos and put those on Instagram, I reckon. So just before I finish cleaning up, I'll just run the magnet through there and found a little bit of tooth left there. So yeah, it's probably a good tip to share with you. Run the magnet through here a few times, another lot of brake clean, and she should be good to go. So here I was finished giving you the tip with the magnet and just continued cleaning. And just on the inside here is like a little lip. I don't know if you can see that there in the camera, but I just put the magnet just behind here. Now, not on that side, but over on this side. Look what I pulled out. Oh, so my own little tip helped me out. We'll have to make these into necklaces, I reckon. Well, cheers. What a job. Hasn't been too bad. It's all gone back together relatively easy. Had a few little dramas. Seized brake caliper pin on this side. The handbrake, those little rubber grommets, just perished on me when I was trying to pop it out. So Daz will have to buy a new one of those. There's a sway bar link that just needs a new bolt. Otherwise, we'll take it for a test run tomorrow morning and see how it goes. Dirty thumbs up, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If there's any tips that you actually got out of it, circ. Safe trip for Daz. Hopefully there's no dramas, but I guess that's why he's driving a patrol. Otherwise, take it easy and see you when I'm looking at you.